and today I want to talk about broken springs. First thing you need to know, this is a torsion spring. Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors, and today I want to talk about broken springs. First thing you need to know, this is a torsion spring. These go up above the top of the door, and you wind up the springs, and that's what makes your garage door light. So you can open it up by hand, or a garage door opener will work. The second one is the extension spring. These stretch out over the track on each side of the door. These are typically only used on small garage doors, but both of them break. And when they do, your door is gonna be very, very heavy. It's something you have to get fixed, and you've gotta get it, that you just can't keep using your door without repairing the spring. With both springs, what you're gonna see two things. On this spring, there's going to be a space. Typically, there's two springs attached together. One of them will break, and there will be a space about that big in between these coils. You also will see there's different sizes on here. So you have to have these measured out, and you need the perfect spring in length and the diameter for your particular weighted door. So that is something you need to deal with, or you will need to deal with your garage door for the lifetime of owning a home. With the extension springs, hopefully there's a safety cable put in here, but when these break, they go flying. They can potentially go flying without the safety cable put in here. Sometimes you'll see them real stretched out, but it's the same thing. When one breaks, you're gonna have a real problem using your garage door until you get it repaired. So these are the springs, and this is what will happen when they break, and when they do, you need to call a professional to get them fixed.